So you're trading in your home country, such as Germany, for example, but you're paying the taxes. Now let me break it down to you of what you can pay in Dubai. I hope you can read it. Just some simple numbers. I'm going to go through with you about it, what you can do if you are doing your trading yourself and you're thinking to minimize the expenses and still like travel the world or move to Dubai, for example. It's possible. Many people are doing it, more and more are thinking about it, are seeing YouTube videos that's possible, and actually it's very easy and simple to make the jump. So let's look into the numbers. So you have 100,000 euro profit in Dubai, Germany, for example. And now what you have to calculate for the starter package, if you're opening that license and the visa and getting your bank accounts and then connecting with your trading account, it's only about 6,000 euro minus travel expenses. What's that mean? That means the hotel or Airbnb where you're staying, because you have to come here at least 1 or 2 weeks, and then the flight. So I just kept it quite high, about 4,000, and that would leave you with 90,000. There's no personal income tax. There's only a 9% corporate tax, but you won't pay it because you're not going over the number and you're putting into your personal bank account, so there's 0% tax anyway. Now break it down to Germany, for example. You have taxes of 42,000 and then other expenses on that, which will leave you maybe roughly about 35,690 euro. Yeah, now look at these numbers. Now look at that investment. Travel expenses, okay, you can cut that down as well, maybe be 2,000, depends, yeah. This one will be roughly about that, depending on what you go with. Will still leave you with a bigger profit than that. And the renewal, you have to keep in mind, you're going to renew a license every year. You get the residency, which you renew every 2 years. But still, comparing that to that, and even if you're making more money, 2 or 1 million, is also no personal income tax on your profits. And that's why so many people are really relocating here or moving here. Everything is officially allowed. You can also convert your crypto into your cash. We have one here next door to us. So this business is really booming, and the crypto market is also, yeah, especially here in Dubai, there's a lot of events, exhibitions happening here as well. So why should you give all that money, your hard-earned money? And the trading is also not easy. I've also started it. Every time I have some time, I'm getting to know it a bit more on Kraken platform, Bitcoin, for example, Revolut, and getting to know the coins, the mine coins, and how the market works. And I can tell you, like, just from my experience, if I'm just an amateur in the end, it is very hard, and you really have to go deep into it. And most of you guys who are probably doing it, you have years of experience, and it takes time to really get into it. I don't have the full time to do it, but maybe if I look back years ago and I wouldn't have started this business venture here in Dubai, I maybe would have done it. But maybe it's not for me as well. But if you don't try, you never know. But I think sometimes there's no way easier to make money than going into the trading business. And if, as you know yourself, if you're making some good amount of money, which is like a couple of 100,000 or millions, your key point is much higher. So if you're investing that money and you're making like just a 5%, it's a big amount of money. So how much faster and quicker can you, and easier can you actually make that money? Of course, you have the risk because it's like a lottery, as you know, you're gambling in the end, but it's a much like easier way to make that money. And why should you, if you're doing that, and why should you pay the taxes into your home country where if you're in Germany or some other country, UK, why should you pay these taxes where you can use that money for investments? You can invest in property. I can help you on that as well. I'm a broker here in Dubai. So if you need to know more, you can just book that call also with me. I'm happy to guide you in the direction and see if something would fit. Maybe Dubai is also not the market for you to relocate to open a license. But the thing is, the convenience is you can come here, you can get everything set, get the full package from me, and then you can just relocate, travel the world, make your business, get your money, trade, convert it, and stay in Bali or Malaysia, where a lot of people also go to, and they come back to Dubai. because here are also so many individuals in this niche where you can meet the people. You can go on exhibitions, as you know yourself. If you just Google it or YouTube it, you will see a lot of crypto millionaires which are here. We have a lot of clients, more clients who are really looking into this, are thinking to get the license, the visas with us, bank accounts, get everything set up. So it's pretty easy. And the thing is, in Dubai, it's like you have the combination of everything. That's why I think also when people are really thinking to get the license, get the visa package. And yeah, the investment of 6,000 euro, what is that? It's nothing compared if you're in another country and you're paying all the other expenses and taxes. Now, if you have that and you're making a couple of hundred a year and you're just investing this amount of money, and then you're not going to relocate to Bali or Thailand or Malaysia, and as you know, you can have a crazy life for just 2,000 euros a month, which is the rent, your utilities, getting your scooter, a car, having a nice lifestyle, food, meeting some nice girls or something. So you see all the combination which is possible. And even if you are making more money, say 500,000, and you want to invest your crypto, you can buy a property. We can help you on that. It's also very easy. We have a company which is partnering with us, so you can invest in property, and then you wouldn't need the license. You could just get the golden visa. The golden visa is a 10-year residency, which will give you with the 10-year residency, as I mentioned. It costs about 3,000 to 4,000 euro. And then you can also get your personal bank account. We'll open that within 5 minutes for you. And then you can do your trading with that as well. And you wouldn't need the business license, and you can just relocate anywhere and just have to come back one time a year. So how does that seem like? So if you really need some information, just book in that call on the link below. I'll give you all the information, the guidance, and we can really get everything set up very quickly. About a week beforehand, you just come here 1-2 weeks and everything is set, done. Even for the investments, you can buy the property from outside and give you the information on that, and you can purchase it, get that done. Once it's finished, the contract, we'll prepare everything for the golden visa. Come here, stay 5 days, and off you go again.